From making it up, forget what to be done be. We serve no say now he done do. From making it up, forget what to be done be. We serve no say now he done do. From making it up, forget what to be done be. We serve no say now he done do. From making it up, forget what to be done be. We serve no say he done do. He done do. So this is a chorus.
That's the chorus.
Yeah. So the rap go like this.
Wrapping up. Yeah. They are really fantastic over that. We have them. You can see what they know when the time comes.
You know, we got a freestyle. Somebody go to the stage, start to rap, doing like that. Come on, for female harp, recognize. But I got my music that I produce. From Makini to Bo, let us forget the past tense, and the war is finished. I just make it for the people to forget about the war. It has black. I don't know.
What a shit, man.
No, it's that.
I know rap is a good thing. You know, when you rap, you deliver the message in the music. I got me. Some people think that rap is just brutal and violence. I'm gonna tell them that rap is simple message going to everyone, and in the way of giving the message is very right by giving it like just like youth.
Thank you.
That's man. Yeah, thank you too. Taking matters and giving to this people over there, man.
And that's it. My name is Black Nature. I just want to interview you for me to know of you. It's good.
Yeah, man.